this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and this is a template based application where all you pretty much do is just upload a photo of yourself or of someone and you pretty much get these results. So the French kiss example, you're gonna need 2 persons for this to work, obviously. So once you do tap on that option, it will ask you to just upload 2 photos, as you can see here, and you pretty much get these results. So do make sure the photos are very clear and pretty much very similar to these, if you get what I mean. But almost a full body image where we both can see each other here, as you can see. So that's really pretty much it for that. You have some other templates which you can use as well. All you have to do is pretty much tap on the template that you want to use. Let's say, for example, the cute baby of template here, and as you can see here, this is pretty much the template. And again, tap on this option here which says create. Once you tap on that, it will give you examples of how the image should look that you're uploading and how it should not look when you're uploading. As you can see down here, it should be, and this is pretty much how it should look. And once you go ahead and meet that requirement, you select the photo from the gallery section and you pretty much upload it, and you pretty much go ahead and get that results. So if you try exiting the section here and it's not going back, you can tap on the option here and it will pretty much exit that section. And as well as you can see here, you can scroll and look for other options which you want as well. So if I do tap on this icon down here, I'll be able to scroll as well and see other templates which you can use. As you can see here, you can just scroll and look for other templates which you can use. So these are pretty much animated templates. I'll have to tap on use preset, and as you can see here, you can adjust the close-up view and some other few options. So you're gonna tap on next. Here we're able to clear videos as well. You can tap on that as well. So once you have done that, pretty much go ahead and upload your video or your image, and you pretty much get these results here, as you can see. So very easy to use. And once pretty much generate any video or images on this application here, we'll go in the section over here, which is the project section, and you'll be able to find it there. As well, they do have the image to video option. As you can see here, it will show you pretty much how it works. As you can see here, meaning you upload a photo, give it a simple prompt, and it turns that image into a video, as you can see here. So tap on here as it relates to that. You can select one of these demo photos here, as you can see here. We're gonna just enter something random here, run, and can adjust the creativity as it relates to this. You can pretty much preset that here, and you can select the duration of the video. And as well, if you don't want things, or if you don't want the app to generate something that you don't want, meaning let's say you don't want a specific shoes in the video, or you don't want a car licking the guy down or something. I don't know what you guys want. But once you have found what you want, you don't much tap on the what you don't want in the video, which is the negative prompt section, then go ahead and tap on create. But do keep in mind, this is a subscription based application and you're going to need a subscription to be able to use it. As you can see, you get a weekly subscription and a yearly subscription here. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.